Cause she's a fashion killer and I'm a trendy. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Russell Westbrook Why Not 0.1 Fashion King. Now, this shoe is Russell Westbrook's first signature shoe, and earlier this year, Jordan Brand had a press event in New York City, and it had a bunch of shoes that they were previewing. This shoe was one of the shoes featured, and this shoe pays homage to Russell Westbrook's eccentric / awesome fashion sense. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the black and white standard Russell Westbrook 0.1 box, so it's the black box with the Russell Westbrook logos in white, and the colorway is tech gray, black, and white. Next, let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features this faux snakeskin snake print upper, and what's interesting about this shoe is that for the most part, the shoe is all one piece. Moving towards the tongue, you have a more scaled detailing on the toe cap. On the tongue, you have the snakeskin upper as well as the black Jumpman, and you also have the Russell Westbrook in black with Why Not under it. And you also have the lace lock, and it's a clear lace lock. Moving towards the heel, you've got the large white overlay, which extends from the lateral to the medial. And also you've got the white Jumpman logo. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There you go. It's right there. On the heel, you've got a black tab going down the shoe. And in gold, you have the words "Engineered for Flight" along with the Jumpman logo. And that's kind of the tagline for Jordan Brand right now, is "Engineered for Flight" for most of their shoes. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the white overlay, but you do not have a Jumpman logo in the middle. The shoe has a white midsole with a clear translucent outsole with the white Jumpman logo. And as a graphic on the outsole, you have an orange and black snakeskin design. I'm not usually a fan of the Why Not 0.1, but this colorway has kind of like a luxe appearance that you wouldn't necessarily wear with a suit, but like in a kind of like a dressy event, you could definitely kind of pull this off with. I do like the faux snakeskin design, and because it has a singular body, it doesn't give away the fact that this is in fact a basketball shoe. Also, I'm a huge fan of the design on the outsole. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Russell Westbrook Why Not 0.1 Fashion King hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 16th for a retail price of $125. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out Solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.